So today we'll be looking at the Isuzu MPR 5 tons. Let's take a good look at it, shall we? Come on. Today we will be looking at the Isuzu MPR Reward 5 tons truck. It is a 4x2 rigid truck. You can use this truck as a refrigerator vehicle or a cooling truck. As you can see, if you are in the dairy business, just imagine attaching the cooling unit to the chassis. As you can see, we have a very rugged chassis, and it also comes with an extra tire. As you can see, it's of a very rugged build. You can also use it as a carrying truck and also a fire truck. So there you have it. If you're interested in purchasing this vehicle, my contact details are in the description box. Please send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Best regards.